Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to be going over how you can change the color temperature on your screen with Gammy. Now, this is going to be a hard video to make because I'm not sure that the recording will capture the change in color spectrum on my computer. I think that's more of a hardware thing. If it does, good, but I don't know. But the program will be, you'll understand how it works, basically. So to start off, you need to install Gammy. Now I have it installed through Arch Linux, so and if you're using Arch, you can install with Trizen or whatever you use through the AUR. If you use a different system, I have that all covered in the description of the video. But open up Gammy like so. Open it up. Now it shows up in the system tray and on my second monitor here. But as you can see, this is auto temperature changing. I've got auto brightness changing as well. So to manually change the color, all I got to do is go down to the temperature changer here and I can swap it. I can move it to whatever my heart is saying that it wants it to be. I can also set it to auto. Setting it to auto will automatically configure it based on the time of day that we're in. So right now it is 12:52 p.m. Eastern in the United States. So it's going to be blue. So it'll change it to blue. Once it gets towards the nighttime, it'll go down to here. And as an added bonus, if you want to mess with the brightness, you can also have it automatically configure brightness. This is just for your eyesight. So I really like this program. I think it's very useful. I would definitely check it out if you have problems with blue light filter apps, like if you've ever used Redshift, because I know I've covered that before, or Flux. Those programs can be fine, but they're not as intricate and they don't cover the brightness thing, which I would argue is like one of the big reasons why people have so many eye problems, myself included, because we stare at screens all the time. And like I said, turn off auto, automatically change it to whatever you prefer. I don't know if that's capturing it on video, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.